Welcome to another session of Martin's Detailing blog. I've just cleaned my daughter's car and I'm going to put some protection on it, and what I'm going to use is Soft99 RainDrop BAZOOKA. I was going to use this on my car a little while ago, but it says on the back you shouldn't use it on film, and my car's been wrapped, so I'm sure that's not an issue, but I didn't want to chance it. So we're going to use this afternoon. Now, it's not ideal conditions. It's 26 degrees in the shade. It really isn't ideal conditions. The car's in the full sun, but I can't wait for perfect conditions. It is what it is. You know, if you're an enthusiast like me and you clean your car outside, then you just got to get on with whatever's there. With whatever weather is there. So what we're going to do is put this on today. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one panel at a time. It suggests on here that you put it on a wet panel. I have seen people put it on dry panels and it seems perfectly okay, but we're going to put it on a wet panel. There's no protection on the car at the moment, so we'll put this on and we'll see what it's like. I've got my hose out, so I'll hose the panel down. That should cool it a little bit. I'll put this on and then you just wipe it off. I'm going to wipe it off with a drying cloth and then buff it afterwards. I suggest if you're going to use a drying cloth, you don't use one of your best, because this type of sealant is likely to ruin that drying cloth and make it a little bit water resistant. So I've got a drying cloth that I'm going to use. As soon as I finish with it, I'm going to drop it into my bucket where I've got the remains of my wash solution where I washed the car. So I'm going to just wipe it over and then drop it in the bucket. So anyway, let's get on and see what this is like. Okay, so we're going to wet the panel. This can go on to your paintwork, your glass, your plastic, anything at all. It can go on all surfaces. So, or it says it can. So let's get the panel wet and as you can see, very little protection on there. Give it a good shake. Right, let's see what the water behaviour is like. That's a bit different, isn't it? I have to admit, it doesn't seem as though you need the second cloth. No smears. So yeah, really like this. It's a nice easy way to protect the car. Okay, so I'm going to do this side now. This is in full sun. It's 28 degrees in the shade at the moment, so like I said, not ideal conditions, but so far it's had no negative effect. So I'm going to do the back and the door, and then the front door and the wing. There's no smears or anything. Is it slick? Not particularly, but we'll see what the protection's like after a few weeks. Let's do the front now, shall we? Like I said, that's in full sun, and those panels are hot. There's no two ways about it. You won't want to leave your hand on there too long. But, you know, it works. It's working. One more panel, and then we'll call it quits. And then I'll finish the back off, and we'll talk about it. And there, you lucky people, is the end result, and I'm quite happy with that. Now this is the second video really. The first video was a little while ago where it was covered in tree sap and bird's muck, and I washed it. So go back and check that video out to see the difference. But yeah, that is looking pretty as a picture. Now don't get me wrong, the bodywork needs correction, but this is Mum's taxi, works its socks off. So you know, it's a car that's driven every single day, 3 or 4 times a day, so it ain't going to get corrected. The wheels need refurbishing, but that Bazooka has brought that up really, really nice. Right, so there we go. I really like that. Now, full disclosure, I never bought that. That was sent to me by Soft99, so Soft99, thank you very much. It says on here, on the instructions, it says here how many cars it will clean. And it says small vehicles, 5, it will do 5 of those. Mid-sized cars, 4, SUVs, 2. Now, I would guess, yeah, I would guess I could do another, possibly another 3 out of that. Certainly 2, but I reckon I could get another 3 out of that. So I guess that's a 1 series, that's a mid-sized car. Do 4, I think that's probably realistic. It also says on here, durable repellency 3 months. Don't know, we'll find out. But it says it can go on body glass, plastics, anything you like. So there we are. It's coating safe. If you've got a ceramic coating, you can put this on, not a problem. So yeah, I like that. I didn't buy it, but I would be tempted. I don't know how much it is, but I would be tempted to buy it again because it's quite a quick way to put sealant on your car, and if it does last 3 months, then that's brilliant. Now, don't get me wrong, I did everything wrong today that you can do. I put this on paintwork that was too hot to touch for too long. I could put my hand on the bodywork, but not for long. It was, I mean, it's now in here, it's 27 degrees inside. It's got to be at least 30, 32 out there, and the bodywork was hot. So, you know, I did everything wrong. This worked perfectly. No streaks, no problems, no issues. You've seen yourself, the car looks really pretty. Yes, it needs correcting, but that's not the point of this video. I really like it. That looks like a typical Soft99 product. Now, over the last year or so, I've tried quite a few Soft99 products, and they are top quality. The only one that I wouldn't buy, that I've used, that I wouldn't buy again, is their tyre wax. Nothing particularly wrong with it, but I think you'd have to go a very long way to beat Garage Therapy tyre serum, which is what I tend to use, certainly on my cars anyway. But yeah, I'm a real Soft99 fan over the last year, 18 months. Top quality products, absolutely top quality. They seem to offer you things that other people don't. But there we go. A reasonable quick video. I'm melting. I need to go in and have a shower and get out the sun. So until next time, you guys take care. Bye bye.